Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I hope wherever you are in the world, today's been treating you so well. In today's video, I'm going to be going over all of my Christmas and birthday gifts. Hopefully this will give you a little bit of inspiration. If you've got somebody like me in your life who has everything that they could possibly need, but you want to buy them a little treat, a little something. So this is everything I got, like I say, for Christmas and my birthday. My birthday is the 9th of January. I've only just had my birthday, so I like to round this all in together. And of course it goes without saying, but I'm gonna say it anyway, of course, I am so grateful to my lovely friends and my lovely family for all of these lovely gifts. I am well stocked. I'm well stocked for a few areas: skincare, perfume and chocolate. Well stocked. So let's just get on into it because I have been completely spoiled this year. First up, my mother-in-law, she always gets me a lot of skincare. She got me a restock of one of my favourite moisturisers, the Bioma Moisturising Rich Cream. I finished one of these like early December, so by the time Christmas came around I was like, I need a restock of that. She also got me the Pixi Detoxify Depuffing Eye Patches. I haven't even gotten into these ones yet, but these are the like green eye patches and I just really like them as like a nice little treat. You know what, when I take my makeup off after I film this, I may treat myself to a little eye patch, and these ones are lovely. So they come with the little green spatula and then the actual eye patches are green themselves. These look so, oh, that's the colour of them. They look so deliciously juicy in there. I do think I'm going to have to hop a pair on for a little treat tonight. So very excited to have a little treat with those ones. Then these two, I've never heard of these brands before. Premium Formula Intensive Dry Skin Rescue Cream. My eczema has once again started flaring up on my hands, so I'm gonna try anything, truly. And the Intense Spear and Jackson Gardener's Balm. I've never tried either of these, but excited to give them a go, see if it will help the flare up that I'm having on my skin at the minute. Then let's move on to these products. We have got the Bramley Chamomile Cleansing Micellar Water. It sounds like a very fancy micellar water. I am currently using Boots' own brand, so like I'm sure that this will be a step up, but you know what, I'll try it and I will report back. She also got me this, which again, as we're talking about my eczema and flares, this is the Cozy Care Scratch Attack Roller with Cool Pack Rollerball. And if I show you this, I think that this is genius. And honestly, on Christmas Day, I was just sat rolling this on my hands for basically the whole day. So this is what it looks like. It's like a little teardrop, and inside here, it's a metal silver ball, and you roll it over. It feels so cold. You roll it over any areas where you want to scratch, and it gives you something to do with your hands so that you don't scratch at your skin, because that's my problem. I scratch at my eczema and then obviously it just makes it so much worse. So I just need to like keep this with me at all times. It really does soothe it because it's cold, but also it's just like, sometimes I just sit and like slap it so that I don't scratch at it, just to give my brain something to do so that I don't just sit and scratch it. But this really does soothe it, and I think that it's genius. It's really nice and cold, but also it's distracting, so it makes it so I don't feel like I need to scratch. Genius, honestly genius, and could not have come at a better time because of course I'm struggling. So like I say, another area that I was completely overwhelmed with this year was fragrance. Now I did actually get myself this was a treat from me to me for getting through the year. I saw this on the M&S website on Boxing Day, and I was looking at this full price, then I saw it on Boxing Day and it was half price. So I got, oh, I can't even lift it. I got 9 little perfumes. I say little, these are not little, these are 30 milliliter bottles, 9 of them for £25. And I have heard fantastic things about a number of the Marks and Spencer's perfumes. I haven't even opened this. I will at some point, and it's quite handy because, oh, I've just dropped one on the floor. The fragrances that I don't like, my 2 girlfriends like. So whatever I don't like, I have somebody to give those to, but I'm very, very excited to get into these. So we've got Sweet Frangipani, White Jasmine, oh, is that Velvet Amber? Oh, they've like spun round. Winter Nights, Sweet Pistachio, Pink Pepper, White Coconut, and Fresh Mandarin. And then this one that's spun round and I can't see what it is. But 9 for 25 quid. And like I said, that was a gift from me to me. Congratulations for making it through the year, Millie. So that was that one. Then let me pick this one up that just dropped on the floor. This was a birthday gift from my mum. So this is the Floral Street Fragrance Discovery Wardrobe. And I'd never tried and still have not tried any products, any fragrances from Floral Street. But look, these are what the bottles look like. They are beautiful, beautiful bottles. And then inside here, we have got all of these little minis. Like, these are just little ones. These are, how much is in each of these? So 12 of them are 2 milliliters and 12 of them are, no, 12, yeah, 12, I'm losing my mind. 12 of them are 2 milliliters and 12 of them are 0.07. Oh no, that's fluid ounces. Oh my god, I'm losing my mind. I swear I am not drunk. Yeah, but again, I'm excited to try all of the different ones. So we've got Arizona Bloom, Neon Rose, Electric Rhubarb, Sunflower Pop, Wonderland Peony, London Poppy, Wild Vanilla Orchid, Sweet Almond Blossom, Iris Goddess, Chypre Sublime, Black Lotus, and Yang Yang Espresso. Okay, so again, excited to try those, and then whatever you don't use, you've only got a small amount of, and what you do like, then you can buy the full bottle, because the Floral Street fragrances are slightly more expensive, but I'm a fragrance girly now. Okay, so whilst we're on fragrances, my brother-in-law and sister-in-law got me this, which is the Sweet Tooth by Sabrina Carpenter little 4-pack. So this is Sweet Tooth, Caramel Dream, Cherry Baby, and Me Espresso. And again, these are slightly larger sample sizes. They're not teeny tiny. And I wanted to try the other 3. So I've tried the cherry one, I've tried the red one, but I wanted to try the other 3, but I didn't want to commit to buying them in the full size. So I already know that I like the red one, the cherry one, and now I've got the others to see what I think of them. And I wanted this as well because I'm going on holiday in, I'm not going to tell you when, I'm going on holiday this year, and I wanted some little mini perfumes to take, like whichever one I like the best I will be taking with me on my holiday. So that's that one. Then I also got, my mum also got me a Oudie with cats on it. I'm thrilled. I thought it was in here, but now I've sat down and I realised it's not in here. I could do with it though. I am chilly. Lovely and fluffy. It's pink and it's got cats on it. What more could you want? So for my birthday, we usually have a rule between my friends that we don't buy each other gifts. That went out the window this year. So one of my friends got me the Purdy and Fig like starter set. So this is, let me open it up. So this is what it looks like. So it comes with a little like microfiber cloth, the spray bottle, and then 3 different fragrances, and they're like a cleaning, like to clean your surfaces down, and honestly they sound incredible. Uplifting citrus, patchouli and cedarwood, and grounding vetiver to make your kitchen smell delightful. I'm very, very excited to try those. I've never tried anything from Purdy and Fig, but I feel like it's one of those brands that like I see it all the time on like Instagram ads and stuff. Maybe they're trying to tell me my house stinks, but I'm excited to try them. And like obviously it's a more eco-friendly way of getting like your kitchen cleaners and stuff, because you just buy the little things of, you just buy these and mix it in with water into the spray bottle, and it's a glass spray bottle. I think that it's such a genius idea, and one that I will definitely keep it up with if I enjoy the fragrances, which honestly, the sound of them, they sound incredible. So that was that one. I did also get quite a lot of homeware stuff actually. So my other friend got me these, which I had this on my list from Habitat. This is the it's like the hand painted stripe vase, and this is in mustard because she'd seen that I was getting sunflowers for in here, and this is the perfect size for sunflowers actually because it's slightly taller. I don't have any nice vases, so I'm thrilled with this one, and I love the colour. That on the back here, instead of this fake plant and some real sunflowers when it gets to sunflower season. I'm very, very excited about that one. And she also got me, which I haven't really even looked into yet, but it sounds like exactly what I need, the Wellness mist diffuser. So it's one that you like plug in, and it's what is it? A calming scent of lavender, chamomile, and a touch of soothing honey. So it's like aromatherapy, and I'm going to put this on my bedside table. I love the colour. It's like this beautiful lilac colour. Put it on your bedside table. It will fill the room with the scent of lavender, chamomile, and a touch of soothing honey, and hopefully it'll make me sleep a little bit better. But that was from my other friend. Then I know you will have all been waiting, because when I put these on my Christmas wish list and I said, I've put these on my Christmas list and I have requested them from my husband, so let's wait and see if I actually get them. And I have worn these, so they are dirty. The Daisy Vans, like I say, I was wearing them today, so that's why they are mucky, but they're so pretty and they're actually incredibly comfortable. I was worried that they weren't going to be very comfortable. I'd heard some people say that Vans are really slim, which I don't have wide feet or slim feet, I just have feet, so I was worried that these were going to be too slim, but they're not. They're perfect. They fit really, really nicely. So yeah, these are just a size 6. They're lovely, embroidered little daisies on them. So now I'm done for shoes. I am done for shoes. I've got my white pair of Converse, now I've got my dark pair of Vans. I don't need any more shoes, and I'm very, very happy with these ones. Then also, lastly, again, I don't have it here because I ordered the wrong one. I'm gonna have to return it and order another one. My brother-in-law also paid for my new suitcase for me because, like I said, we're going on holiday this year and I didn't have a suitable suitcase. I still don't have a suitable suitcase because I ordered the wrong size because I'm an idiot. I got drawn in with ordering one that was green. Didn't check the size that I actually needed for the airline that I'm going on. So I'm having to return that and I will order another one. But that is everything. A realistic look at what my husband's parents and my parents also gave me money, which I have stashed away and I'm going to save for spending money whilst we're on our holiday. But that is everything. A realistic look at what a now 32-year-old gets for Christmas and birthday. I'm so spoiled. I have enough skincare now to last me a lifetime. But that is everything. I also my dad got me and I forgot to bring it up because we've been using it in the kitchen, like a taster pack of a load of different teas, and I love those gifts because I love tea. And I need to go make myself a cup of tea because I'm freezing, but that is everything. That is everything that I got for Christmas and my birthday this year. A bit of inspiration for you if you're looking for a gift for a picky girl like me, but that is everything. Thank you ever so much for watching, and until next time, bye bye.